Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly navigate their professional lives, while others, equally competent, struggle? It's a question that has puzzled many. The answer often lies in the realm of interpersonal skills. These skills, though intangible, have a profound impact on the professional landscape. Interpersonal skills are the bedrock of successful professional relationships. They are the tools we use to communicate and interact with others, both individually and in groups. They include abilities such as effective communication, problem-solving, decision-making, and empathy. These skills enable us to understand and respond to the needs, motivations, and emotions of those around us. In the context of a professional environment, they can be the difference between a thriving workplace culture and a toxic one. They can make or break your chances of career advancement. They shape how you're perceived, how effectively you lead, and how well you collaborate with colleagues. Interpersonal skills are not an optional extra in the professional world, they are a necessity. The first step in improving your interpersonal skills is identifying what they are. This process is akin to looking in a mirror, not to scrutinize your physical appearance, but to take an introspective look at your social abilities. Interpersonal skills are the attributes you use every day to interact and communicate with others. They include a wide range of skills, but they can be broadly categorized into three main areas: communication, empathy, and teamwork. Let's start with communication. This isn't just about how well you speak or write. It's about how well you listen, how effectively you can convey your thoughts and ideas, and how you handle conversations, especially the difficult ones. Ask yourself, are you a good listener? Do people often misunderstand your messages? Do you find it challenging to express your thoughts clearly and concisely? By answering these questions, you can get a sense of your communication skills. Next, we have empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Empathy is about showing genuine interest in others' feelings and experiences. It's about being sensitive to their emotions and responding appropriately. Reflect on your interactions with others. Do you tend to understand people's emotions and viewpoints? Can you relate to their experiences? Your answers can reveal your level of empathy. Lastly, there's teamwork. This involves working effectively within a group, respecting others' ideas, and contributing to the team's goals. Think about your past team experiences. Were you cooperative and respectful? Did you contribute positively to the team's success? Your reflection will give you a clearer picture of your teamwork skills. As you go through this self-evaluation, be honest with yourself. It's not about judging or criticizing yourself, but about understanding where you are now so you can determine where you want to go next. Remember, everyone has strengths and areas for improvement, and it's okay not to be perfect. Identifying your interpersonal skills is the first step on the path to professional success. This self-awareness can be a powerful tool in your career advancement. So as you look in that mirror, remember, you're not just seeing who you are, but who you can become. Once you've identified your skills, the next step is setting goals for improvement. This is where the SMART framework swoops in to lend a helping hand. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's delve into it a bit more. First, specific. Instead of saying, I want to be a better communicator, try, I want to improve my ability to articulate my thoughts in team meetings. By being specific, you give yourself a clear direction. Next, measurable. How will you know when you've reached your goal? Perhaps when you can confidently share your ideas in 3 out of 5 team meetings. Measuring progress isn't just about ticking off a checklist, it's about acknowledging your growth, no matter how small. Then we have achievable. It's crucial to be realistic. Sure, it would be fantastic to become a master negotiator overnight, but Rome wasn't built in a day. Set goals that push you, but don't set yourself up for failure. Relevant is up next. Your goals should align with your broader career aspirations. If your dream job involves a lot of public speaking, then working on your presentation skills would be a relevant goal. Lastly, time-bound. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help keep you motivated. But remember, it's not a race. The aim is continuous improvement, not instant perfection. Now that you've got your SMART goals set, it's time to track your progress. Keep a journal, make a note of your triumphs and challenges. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and learn from your missteps. Remember, progress is not always linear. There will be bumps along the way, but don't let that discourage you. Consistency is key. Regularly revisit your goals, assess your progress, and adjust your strategies if necessary. This isn't about reaching a finish line. It's about embarking on a journey of self-improvement. With clear goals, you have a roadmap to success. And remember, success isn't a destination, it's a journey. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. You're on your way to becoming a more effective, more impactful professional. Scene script. Knowing your skills and setting your goals is only the beginning. Now we focus on cultivation. Cultivation is a process of nurturing and refining your interpersonal skills to reach their full potential. It's not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey of growth and development. So, how do we embark on this journey? Firstly, let's talk about active listening. This isn't just about hearing the words someone is saying, it's about truly understanding their message, their tone, and their emotions. It means giving your full attention, asking clarifying questions, and providing feedback to ensure you've understood correctly. Remember, it takes practice. The more you do it, the better you'll become. Next, practicing empathy. This is about putting yourself in someone else's shoes, understanding their perspective, and validating their feelings. It's not about agreeing with them, but recognizing their experiences as their own. This ability can build trust, foster relationships, and create a supportive work environment. Improving communication, the third aspect, is about delivering your message clearly and effectively. It's about understanding your audience, choosing the right words, and using the appropriate tone. And it's not just about speaking, it's also about writing. Emails, reports, presentations, they all require effective communication. Now let's not forget the importance of feedback. Feedback is a gift. It helps you understand your strengths and areas of improvement. It's not just about receiving feedback, but also giving it constructively and respectfully. Remember, feedback is not criticism. It's an opportunity for growth and learning. Finally, continuous learning. The world is changing rapidly, and so are the demands of the workplace. To stay relevant, you need to continuously learn and adapt. Read books, attend workshops, participate in online courses. There are countless ways to keep learning. Cultivating your skills is a continuous journey, not a destination. Embrace this journey with an open mind and a willingness to grow. The rewards, both personally and professionally, are truly worth it. Now that you have honed your interpersonal skills, it's time to put them to use. Imagine yourself in your professional setting. You're surrounded by colleagues, clients, and superiors, all with different personalities, work styles, and goals. Navigating this environment can be a challenge, but with your newly developed interpersonal skills, you're well equipped to handle it. Let's start with managing work relationships. Building positive relationships in the workplace is key to career advancement. It starts with effective communication. Be clear, concise, and respectful in your interactions. Listen actively to understand, not just to respond. This shows respect and fosters trust. Emotional intelligence plays a part too. Being aware of and responsive to the emotions of your colleagues can help build stronger relationships. Next, let's talk about conflict management. Disagreements are inevitable in any workplace, but they don't have to be destructive. Use your interpersonal skills to manage conflicts constructively. Practice empathy, putting yourself in the other person's shoes. This helps you understand their perspective and find common ground. Also, stay calm and composed, even when the situation is heated. Remember, the goal is resolution, not winning an argument. Finally, let's discuss building a positive workplace culture. This goes beyond just being friendly and polite. It's about fostering an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Encourage open communication and collaboration. Recognize the contributions of others and show appreciation. Cultivate a culture of respect and inclusivity. You, as an individual, can influence your workplace culture positively. Remember, applying these skills is not a one-time event, it's a continuous process. You'll need to adapt and refine your approach as you encounter new situations and people. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. Lean on your colleagues, seek feedback, and keep learning. So step into your professional world with confidence. Use your interpersonal skills to navigate relationships, manage conflicts, and build a positive culture. You'll see the difference it can make, not just in your career, but in your overall work experience. Applying your skills effectively can transform your professional life. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Interpersonal skills, those soft but essential abilities that enable us to interact effectively with others, hold a central role in our professional success. The first step in harnessing these skills is to identify them. Are you a great listener or perhaps an effective communicator? Once you've identified your skills, it's time to set goals for improvement. Just like a gardener tending to his plants, your skills need to be cultivated. This requires consistent effort, practice, and sometimes stepping out of your comfort zone. After all, growth happens at the edge of discomfort, right? Once you've cultivated these skills, the next step is to apply them in a professional setting. Whether it's leading a team project, negotiating a business deal, or simply building a rapport with your colleagues, these skills can significantly enhance your professional interactions. Remember, developing your interpersonal skills is an ongoing process, but with dedication and practice, you can significantly advance your career.